Now children will be looking at some word problems of substitution method. Now see here, read the question. Solve 2x plus 3y equals 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. You got two equations, children. 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. You got two equations. Now if you solve, when you get two equations, you solve, you'll get the value of x and you'll get the value of y. Now is that all in this question? Let us read. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence, yes, not only finding x and y, there is something more to it, and hence find the value of m, for which y equals mx plus 3. That is, there is a third equation, y is equal to mx plus 3. So you have to substitute the value of x. X and y you'll get by solving the first two equations. The value you get for x and y should be substituted in this equation, y equal to mx plus 3. And then you'll have to find the value of m. Okay, I hope you have understood. Shall we start? Okay, the first question, it is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Because I have put it in the middle, just for making it more interesting, I put the question in the middle, but I'll start from here. Okay, now let us start. The first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Now let us start. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. That means we'll get it as 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y, or x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. I got my first equation. This I'll make as my second equation. Now the first equation is actually this, and the second equation this, and this value of x or y, what I get, I take it as the third equation always. Whichever way you take the equation, it is not going to affect you. Okay, you can take anything as first equation, second equation and all. Don't bother. So now I made this the second equation. Now what will be my third equation? Third equation is what is given in the question. What is given in the question now? It is given that 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This is my third equation. Now what will I do? I'll put 2 in 3. When I put 2 in 3, I'll get 2 into 11 minus 3y by 2, because x value is 11 minus 3y by 2, minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So what do we get? These two gets cancelled. So you have 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. What is minus 3y and minus 4y? That is minus 7y is equal to minus 3 and minus 4. When you add, you get minus 7. Minus 7y is equal to, sorry, it is not minus 7y, minus 3y minus 4y. Yes, correct. Now you have 11, you take to the other side, you get minus 24 minus 11. That is equal to minus 35. So you get minus 7y is equal to minus 35, or y equal to minus 35 by minus 7, that is equal to 5. Is it clear? Minus 35 by minus 7 is equal to 5. Clear? Now you got y is equal to 5. So now we have to find the value of x. Put y equal to 5 in 2. In 2, when you put in 2, you get x is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5 is 15 by 2. That is equal to minus 4 by 2 equal to minus 2. So we are getting x equal to, from these two equations we are getting x equal to minus 2, comma y equal to 5. Now we have to substitute that x and y in this equation, y equal to mx plus 3. Okay, so we'll start. y is equal to mx plus 3. What is y value? 5. 5 is equal to x is 2. 2 into m is 2m plus 3. Or 2m is equal to, this 3 will go to the other side. So you'll get 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Or m equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. M is equal to 1. Understood? So you get the answer as m is equal to 1. So this is how you solve the question. You understood? Two equations are given. You have to solve the equation, find the value of x and y, and then you have to put the value of that x and y in the third equation that is given, y equal to mx plus 3. So you have y value and x value, only m you don't know in that. So you have to put the value of m and you have to find the value. Okay children? Yes. Now let's move on to the next question. Let's look at the second question. It is given, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the small. The larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So, there are two supplementary angles, children. What do you mean by supplementary angles? This is the word that you should be knowing in this. Supplementary. There are two angles. So, we'll write it as, let the angles be, right from here, let the angles be x and y. Let the angles be x and y. Let the angles be x and y. Okay. Now, what is given about these angles? One angle is larger. Larger of two angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. And it is given of the two supplementary angles. These two angles are supplementary. These angles are supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary? Supplementary means when you add it up, you should get 180 degree. Okay, when you add, you should get supplementary means 180 degree. That is x plus y is equal to 180. That is the first equation that we are getting. Okay, x plus y is equal to 180. Now, the second thing that is given is the larger one. The larger of the two angles exceeds the smaller. Exceeds means it is more. Exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So, if x is greater than y, there are two angles. One is bigger. The bigger one is more than the smaller one by 18. So, how do you write it? That is, x is the bigger angle means x is equal to y. More than 18 more than y. That is the answer. At 18 more than y. That means y plus 18. That is the second equation. So you have only two equations, x plus y equal to 180 degree and x equal to y plus 18. You have to substitute and then find the value. Put 2 in 1. What will you get? X is equal to y plus 18. So x plus y equal to 1 is x plus y equal to 180 degree. So you'll get, in place of x you will put y plus 18. Y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 or 2y is equal to this 18. Y plus y 18, you can take it to the other side. You'll get 180 minus 18. What is 180 minus 18? 162. So what will be y? 2y equal to 162. Y is equal to 162 by 2. That is equal to 81. You get y equal to 81. When you get y equal to 81, then what is x? Substitute. That is, again you have to put, if you get one value of y, then you have to find the other value of x also. So we are put y equal to 81 in 2. Then you get x is equal to y plus 18, or that is equal to y is 81 plus 18, that is equal to 99. Okay. So now you can see 99 plus 81. 99 plus 81 is 180, that is supplementary. Okay, so you're getting it. This is how you do it. Now let us move on to the next question. The third question, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and their solution by substitution method. Now onwards, I'm not going to solve the problem. I'll just form the equation. Okay, forming the equation correctly gets 1 mark. Only if you form the equation correctly, you'll be able to do the substitution properly. So forming the equation is very important. Let us see. The question is, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find the solution by substitution method. The difference between two numbers is 26. Difference. That is the word you should be seeing. Difference. Difference means subtraction. Difference between two numbers is 26. So there should be two numbers. So let us take the numbers as, let the numbers be x and y. Let the numbers be x and y. There are two numbers. You have taken the numbers as x and y. Difference between the numbers is 26. So you get difference means x minus y. Given difference is equal to x minus y is equal to 26. And one number is 3 times the other. Now when I write x minus 6 is equal to 26, that automatically means x is bigger. From bigger number only we subtract the smaller number, only then we get the positive answer, isn't it? So x is bigger number. And it is given one number is 3 times the other. 3 times the other. So will you write it as x equal to 3y or y equal to 3x? That is what. X is the bigger number. So the second equation is x is equal to 3 times y. 3 times y means 3 into y. X is equal to 3. So this is your first equation, x minus y equal to 26. And second equation is x equal to 3y. Now you can just substitute. That is, put 2 in 1. No need of third equation. In second equation itself we are getting in terms of x. Okay. So we'll put 2 in 1. So what will you get? 3y minus y equal to 26. 3y minus y equal to 26, or 2y equal to 26, or y equal to 26 by 2, that is 13. So you get y equal to 13, then x equal to 13 into 3 is 39. This you have to do it on your own. Okay children, that's. Now we'll move on to the next question. The third question, coach of a cricket team buys 7 bat and 6 ball. Okay, so there is bat, there is ball, and there is amount. So buys 7 bat and 6 ball for rupees 3,800. Then later she buys 3 bat and 5 ball for 1,750. This is the question given. Now you have to find the cost of each ball and each bat. Okay. So first one, when she bought 7 bat and 6 ball is costing 3,800. And 3 bat and 5 ball is costing 1,750. Now how are we going to take this? Okay. So we will take, let the cost of one bat be x. So we are going to take, let the cost of one bat be x and of one ball be y. Then for 7 bat, what will be the answer children? Then for 7 bat the cost is 7x, and for 6 ball the cost is 6y. Then what is the equation we get? 7x, cost of the ball is, bat is 7 into x, plus cost of the ball is 6 into y, that is equal to 3,800 together. That is the first equation. Then second equation, x rupees, 3 bats, so the total cost is 3x. For y rupees we are buying 5 balls, so the total cost is 5y. Now for buying 3 bat and 5 ball, the cost will be 3x plus 5y. It is given as equal to 1,750. Now you got the two equations. You will have to solve it on your own. Okay, substitution method. You can use any substitution, solve it on your own. The next question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Last year, you remember, I taught you this question, fixed charge. And then so what do we take? We have to first take the fixed charge. What do we take the fixed charge? Let the fixed charge be. Let the fixed charge be. You remember, for 5 marks, how many times I had made you draw the graph for this? Let the fixed charge be X. Taxi charge a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. So, and charge per distance be Y. That is, children, for example, once you enter into an auto, the minimum charge think you have to pay 20 rupees. Once you enter, if you are going 1 kilometer or you are going 2 kilometer, the minimum charge, once you enter the auto, you have to give 20 rupees, you think. Or for bus, 8 rupees. Once you enter the bus, you have to pay 8 rupees. That is a fixed charge. Then per kilometer. Each kilometer, say for 1 kilometer covered, they are charging 8 rupees. Say if they are charging 8 rupees, then after traveling 1 kilometer, we have to pay 28 rupees. Listen, first 1 kilometer is 20. Then 2 kilometers if we travel, we have to give 28 rupees. If we travel for 3 kilometers, again 8 rupees more. Understood? But the first charge will be 20. For first kilometer, the charge is fixed. So let the fixed charge be X and charge per distance be Y. Have you got it? Now, for a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105. So, for 10 kilometer children, we have to understand this. For 10 kilometer, you have first 1 kilometer plus 9 kilometer. So, for first 1 kilometer, we are paying X, and for 9 kilometer, we are paying Y rupees. Okay. So, X for distance of 10 kilometer. Then, for 10 kilometer, rate charge is equal to X plus 9Y. That is equal to, how much did they pay? 105. Okay. And for a journey of 15 kilometer, for 15 kilometer, the charge will be equal to, 15 means how much again? 1 plus 14, isn't it? So first one is X plus 14Y is equal to, how much is it coming? 155. 155. So how are you going to find out this? What are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? So here from these two equations, you have to find X and Y. So this will be your first equation. This will be your second equation. From these two equations, you have to substitute and you have to find out X and Y. Is it over? No. Therefore, charge for 25 kilometer. For 25 kilometer charge will be X plus 24Y. So once you get the value of X and Y, you have to substitute in this and then find the value of 25 kilometer, how much they have to pay. Okay. Oh, still there are questions.